Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m unu biko na igbe na nene m udo dịrị nwoke na udo dịrị nwaanyị biko na o nwere ihe nchọ ka m kwupụta kịta ka o wee doo onye ọbụla anya because afugo m that comment for a very long time. I've been seeing it, but I just have to say it in this opportunity that I have. Kịta ọgbata m n'uche maka most times all the comment ya ọ na-agbafu m n'uche. I don't really remember them because I love people sharing their own opinion. Balegodo enukwu and I will just forget about it. Na social media because most of you from face to face, you can't even say such thing to my face. So nke a bụrụ okwu ebele ụka o nwere ihe mmadụ kwu o sị m na mgbe ọbụla na ọzi Matthias ọbụzi Ebuka Obi ọbụzi Zion ọbụzi ụka na omenala na aka na-akwu ya nwa asị ka mmekọ ọmalụ nwe ihe m kwuru na that comment mgbe ahụ a sị m ya na ihe anụnwa na-eme kịta anụnwa bụ ihe ọfụ because this is the only time I witness something like religious crisis in Igbo Land. Ọ na-eme na North ọ bụrụ ihe ọfụ being ụka na Muslim mana nke bụzi Christian na omenala is all ihe dị strange to me. Anụbeghị m ya before. So na every other thing mbụ na anyị na-eche eche na-eme na Nigeria onye ha na-ajụ m onwezi news ọzọ na-eme na Nigeria anyị na-epost ọzọ. Onwe ihe ọbụla na-eme na Nigeria kịta aka bụ ihe ọfụ. Dollar ka na 1000 plus ọkụ adị ụzọ adịrọ mma onye ha na-emali ihe ahụ niile na-eme na Nigeria mgbe ijewere obodo Igbo ọ ka na-eme gbadolu kịta ndị ntọka na-atọ ị na-aghọta. Pure water bụzi 20 naira ọ nke ahụ bụ nke dị iche na ihe na-eme na pure water bụzi 20 naira ofu mkpụrụ ịtọ 50 in some places nwekwa ebe ya eji ego Igbo 50 naira bottle water nọzi na 100 amara m na olugo 100 mgbe ịpụ o depend mgbe iji wee jebe ihe bụ na niile ịma na-eme na Nigeria ka na-eme. So mbịa post bi ọgbọrọsi ihe ọfọ ọ bụgo ọya mala ahụ we are used to it. 3 hours power supply 12 hours in darkness na aghọta ọya nwade ha. So ibe na aka ekwu bịa government has failed us in that aspect. But in terms of ihe ọnụ anyị ji aka itisasịla ọnwa anyị sị na anyị na-eme omenala na ụlọ ụka it shouldn't be a problem. Mana ndị ọjọọ ndị na-atụ ọlụ ndị yahoo ndị na-ebu drug amakpuchana na omenala si not going back to the root so that they can be able to sponsor the bad thing ha na-eme. Ọ nwe ma ha ji ejupụta dị na-ekwu ha na-asụ ego dị ka afọkwa na ha na-enwe nwere isi. The same people na-criticize na support Matthias nya sikpọ ya for example na Matthias galanga today nye ha 1 month although the same set of people ya bịa kpuchibe nwunye Matthias. Ya m na-agwa gị pure truth and nothing but the truth. Ha nwa abịa kpuchiri nwunye Matthias. Ha na-asị alụ kwụsị mana ha nwa na-eme the highest alụ anyị nwere na Igbo aya today. Onye ọbụla bụ mkpọrọ nwa ya Christian onwe ụdị obi ha anaghị enwe. Ndị Christians adịghị enwe obi ime mmadụ ihe. Onwe ụdị obi anaghị enwe because Christ dwells in you. So there are some things ọ ewepụ gị n'obi for him to dwell inside of you. Iwechagodi iwe n'elu mgbe ha na echetakwa na iwu nke Christ na iwu ka bụkwa gịnị forgive ya agbaghala. So kwa ji ebe n'ụbọchị nketa wee bụrụ okwu this Reverend Father Bonono na afụfụti ya bụrụ mana Reverend Father na nwetega aka ọpụtago in his usual form. Ever since then he has been defending Ebuka Obi and some of the backlash ọ na-enweta ever since then is unimaginable. So bika chọmkwu nene egbo si we define on Zion ministry ka Zion ministry abụrụkwa na church na Zion ministry is a ministry that people should know that ministry is different from church. Ose ka ọ kọwaa ya ka ndị mmadụ ghọta because some of their people bụ Catholic does not know that Zion is a ministry not church and some other Christians amụha na Zion bụ ministry not church and some other non-Christians organizations non-Christian groups should know that Zion is a ministry. Go and Google the difference between ministry and church. You Google ya. That's when you now make your conclusion. But biko you na-echa video and subscribe or like. You nwekwana ike na-enweta notification bụ ọbụla iti video ọfụ. Kọdịnụ mgbe ọzọ. Bye.
Zion is not a church. Zion is a ministry. And a ministry comprises of both Christians and non-Christians. If you go to Zion, you see Muslims there. If you go to Zion, you see Catholics, you see non-Catholics, you see Redeemed, you see people from different walks of life, you see people from different nations. They troop into that place. Zion is a ministry. Know that and have peace. For those of you that want to control Zion, what basis do you want to control him? Did you ordain him? If you ordain him, what did you ordain him? Zion is operating with divine license that came from heaven, is what Zion is operating with. So he is a very humble young man. If you say the truth for once, you know that Ebukobi is very humble. Even Ebukobi is more humble than some of us that are wearing this white. 100%. Because what they have done to Ebukobi, if they have done it to you, you will keep people. With the capacity he has, with the people that he has, you shut down the town. But God has blessed you, you want to bless. So Zion is a ministry. Stop trying to close a ministry that you don't know when it was founded. You didn't build a place. You didn't start it. It's a ministry that God started after so many years of him toiling, fasting and praying, sacrifices that you cannot even do, mortifications you cannot even try, not even 10%. Today, it's easy to tell members, say, don't go there. Don't go there. They are evil. Members know where they will go because they have problem. They need solution. That's why people are looking for him. That's why, go and watch the testimonies now. They speak for themselves. When you come out, you are chasing Father Baka. Why are you chasing Father Baka? The people should not go there. Are people not going there? These men have authority. You say, don't follow Father Mabonave. Don't follow Father. People are following Father Mabonave. There is something they are getting. Don't follow Father Bemonso. They are following him. There's something they are getting. Don't follow Okunere. Go there, see people. You see people. There is something they are getting. The earlier you stop this, the earlier you start asking God for power. Father, please anoint me, or I need power. Because people need power. People need manifestation of this power. Especially this generation that are prostitutes. Power. They are not tired of power. They want power from, in fact, the generation of Jonah is even better than this generation. Their own is miracle. They want more miracle. More miracle. If you have something doing, you would devote your time to prayer and ask God, say, develop me. I want to manifest this power. What is this self? Should you are the one that is giving it. I want to manifest it. Than to go one corner and be talking nonsense and be criticizing miracles. You yourself, are you not a miracle worker? You know they work miracle if it's easy. Even during the time of Jesus, don't forget, it's not every miracle that Jesus did when he was here, because he couldn't do some because of their lack of what? Faith. It is him that have faith that miracle work for. Yes. Those who don't have and those who are judging miracles, who are judging testimonies, will never get it. And these are agents. They want you to lose your faith in Christ. And whether you like it or not, up to tomorrow, Jesus is still in the business of blessing people. We have proofs of these miracles. Priests that are busy doing wonders are not even, they are not talking. Men of God that are busy doing wonders are not talking. The great ones they do, you will not see it. One mistake, you magnify it. One little mistake, you magnify it as if you are a saint. Sorry. That propaganda will not last. That propaganda will not do what? It will not last. I said it and I'm saying it again. What you attract is what you appreciate. But what you attack, you will never attract it. If you love what the work is doing, all the priests that are doing wonders, God bless them wherever they are. God bless all of us wherever we are. Doing wonders, magnifying and glorifying the name of the Lord in one way or the other. God bless all of us. And to those that their job is to fight and put their brothers down, continue fighting. At the end of the day, you put yourself down. People have needs. People need to be blessed. And just like Father Baka will say, when the church because you don't like somebody does not mean that we also will not like the person. No. God bless all of us. Oh, naturally. And let us do it maturely and let us do it intelligently. Let us do it with the fear of Him who has sent us. Because the vineyard is not your father's own, it's not my father's own. There is someone that owns the vineyard. He's watching all of us.